President of USA is Barack Obama. The Prime Minister of USA is Stephen Harper. It is an Iceland continent. The capital of USA is Washington DC. Its states of 50. The national symbol of USA is peace. The national anthem of USA is the Star Spangled Banner. The national bird and animal of USA is bald eagle. The national tree of USA is oak. The national fruit of USA is walnut apple. The national flower of USA is rose. Area of USA 3.71 million kilometers square. 52,009,6 million kilometers square. The population of USA is 318 million. The USA Constitution 1783. The USA Constitution is 17 September 1787. The currency of USA is dollar. Value $1 is equal to 60.35 Indian rupees. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everybody. I am Kavita Dawar from Nepal. My project name Valuing Currencies and Symbols of the Worldwide under ISA. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. The Prime Minister of Nepal is Sushil Koirala. The President of Nepal is Ram Baran Yadav. The national animal of Nepal is cow. The national bird of Nepal is Himalayan monal. The national flower of Nepal is rhododendron. The main crop of Nepal is rice and the main language of Nepal is square kilometer. Currency Nepali rupee. Value our Nepali rupee is equal to 0.62 Indian rupee. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ekta from India Group. My project name is Valuing Currency and Symbols of the World under ISA. I want to represent to my country. My country name is India. The name of capital is New Delhi. There are 29 states in it. In the position of India on the basis of the population is second in the world and areas of the seventh in the world. Independence Day of India is 15 August 1947. The public foundation of India is 26 January 1950. The Prime Minister of India is the Narendra Bhai Damodar Das Modi. Name of President of India is Pranab Mukherjee. The symbol of our country, the figure of 4 lines. The name of national flag of India is Tiranga. The name of national animal of India is the Royal Bengal of Tiger. The name of national bird of India is peacock. The name of national flower of India is lotus. The name of national tree of India is burger. The name of national food of India is dal roti. The name of national sport of India is hockey. The population of our country 1,21,93,444. Its area is 32,87,590 square kilometer. The main crops of India is wheat, rice and tea. The name of currency of India, Indian rupees. Thank you and have a nice day.